Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in this video, we are going to bling out this baby lid. With that being said, let's get it. Okay, you guys, I am going to go over everything that we are going to need to bling out our baby lid. So, you're going to need your baby lid, of course. You are going to need your rhinestones, your glue adhesive. We are going to rock with Liquid Fusion today. A wax pencil to pick up your rhinestones, a fingernail file to sharpen your pencil as you go, a piece of a Scotch pad, wooden sticks, and I think that's it. Okay, you guys, before we get started blinging out our lid, I just want to show you the quality of these rhinestones, okay? These are not glass. These are acrylic. However, they look just as good as the glass, okay? I just want you to see that, all right? And these are not the ones I'm going to use. These are my favorite ones right here, though. I just want you to see. All right. Okay, these are the ones we're going to use today. So I want to tell you, before you order your rhinestones in bulk, please make sure that you order sample packs beforehand so you can see the quality of the rhinestones, okay? Because I can't tell you how many times I ordered rhinestones from different people and the quality is crap. Yes, I said it. The quality is crap. There's a lot of defects in the bags, and they look cheap. I order mine off of Etsy. I ordered from her, Blingy Thingies, and her rhinestones, to me, my personal opinion, her rhinestones look really good. Her acrylic rhinestones look almost as good as the glass. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw that out there. Now, the reason why I say get your sample pack like this one. This is actually too dark for what I wanted to use them for. So I don't want them to go to waste. So I am going to use them to bling out our lid. All right, so I can show you how to do that. I don't want these to go to waste, so we're gonna do that. And we are going to rock with the 5mm, which is equivalent to the SS20s. If you want to do fillers, you can. However, like I said, this is all I have as far as in this color. So what I'm going to do is actually space them out a little bit. That way, as we go, I could kind of push them together to make them all flow nice and even. All right, if that makes sense. So, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is take our Scotch pad and scuff up our baby bottle lid. Just like that. Oop. Y'all see? That's pretty good. Good enough for me. Then you want to take a paper towel. My paper towels are downstairs, and my son is taking a test. So I don't want to bother him. So I'm going to rock with some toilet paper. But you know, you get the idea. Paper towel. And just wipe your lid off. All right? Okay, I'm simply going to take my plate. And I am going to take my rhinestones and pour them on the plate. All right. Now since we got that, and then I'm gonna get my glue ready. Okay. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is take the glue and put it all around the bottom of the lid, okay? All around. Now, I do use a lot of glue. You can use as much or as little as you wish. It's your lid. I like a lot of glue because I like when my rhinestones kind of sink in the glue, because I am dealing with babies and I do not want my stones to come off whatsoever. So I do rock with a lot of glue. That's just me. All right, so. And another thing I do not like about Liquid Fusion is I like the consistency of the E6000 because it's thick. So when I put my stones, they stay. However, with this Liquid Fusion, my rhinestones, they move around. So you got to keep going back and fixing them. But overall, the glue is pretty good. All right, so I will say that. So I'm going to get my file in place in case I need it, and get my rhinestone picker-upper thing, wax pencil, and just start placing them around the. Oh. Can y'all see that? Let me. Oh, oh. Zoom in so you can really see. Don't come for me now. My nails look a hot mess. I'll be busy, you guys. I'll be super busy. So I gotta get this video out. And that's all I'm gonna do. Just go all the way around. Just like that. Don't worry about so much. Don't focus on, like I said, don't focus on trying to line them up as soon as you put them on, because like I said, they're gonna move around. So just focus on putting them around the lid first and then organize them in, in place. Because like I said, they're gonna move around, so you're gonna waste your time doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the rhinestones around the lid, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, I got the rhinestones all around, and all I'm going to do is simply, oh, you guys, this is the same wax pencil. I just took the paper off. It was getting on my nerves. So I'm just gonna simply adjust them, make them all nice and straight. It takes a while for that Liquid Fusion to set up, so I got time to kind of move them around. So that's all I'm doing is kind of pushing them, adjusting them. I'll have to keep going back, like I said, and trying to fix them because they do move. Okay, I think we're pretty good for right now. Oop, oop. Okay, so once we got it like that, now what I'm going to do is the honeycomb method. Now, all I can tell you is I am going to start off doing the honeycomb method. Then the rhinestones, basically, they do their own thing. So I'm gonna try to do the honeycomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more glue. So I'm just gonna go in sections. You can go all the way around. You can do however you feel. This is how I'm gonna do it, okay? Then if it's too much glue, I'm just gonna take my stick and kind of go like this. I don't wanna just spread it a little bit. Like that. Then I'm gonna wipe it off. Just like that. Take my, let me move this up. Okay. So let's try this honeycomb. So I'm just going to go in between, can y'all see that? In between the rhinestones, just like that. And if I get an extra when it falls like that, I just flip it over and leave it like that. And then when I move up, I adjust it to where I want it to be instead of trying to move it, because then I'll get glue everywhere. So there we are. See how that is? I'll put the rhinestones. Can y'all see that? Oh, I am all off camera. So I am simply just going to continue. Putting the rhinestones. See what I mean? So I'm just gonna spread them out a little bit. So they wind up not really being. Now, if you have fillers, then good. But I don't have no fillers, so we're gonna have to make do. So I'm just gonna simply go like that. Then my next row, when I move up, I'm gonna try the honeycomb again. Again, I'm gonna leave that one right there. When I get to that row, I adjust it to where I want it to be. So, and you see if you see that look cloudy, that's actually the residue from the wax pencil. And when you're finished and let the lid dry, I wipe my lids down with alcohol and remove all that residue, that wax residue, I'm sorry, from the wax pencil. Man, y'all still can't see. I am so sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place. So this is how I do it. And I'm actually gonna go up to the next row. See how I adjust that one that already fell? Now, oh, y'all still can't see. Dang. I am very bad at doing this. I am so sorry, you guys. Can you see now? We're gonna go up. See how that one, I had two. I'm just gonna adjust it to where I want it to be. Boom, just like that. Let me see if I can fill this side in, even though it's not the honeycomb method, like I said, but we're gonna make do. And that's how I do it, you guys. Oop. See how that one fell? I'm just gonna flip it. Well, actually, I'm gonna remove that one. There ain't no glue right there, so I don't want it to. Okay. So that's how I do it. And I'll be back once I get most of the rhinestones on. Once I get to the top, I'm gonna show you how I do the top. Okay, you guys, I got the rhinestones all around the lid. All we gotta do is the very top. And once I do that, I will go and rearrange the rhinestones because, like I said, they move out of place. So what I'm gonna do is add some glue at the top. Just like that. I'm gonna take my stick and spread it around. Okay. Take my stick. And we're just gonna spread that glue around. Now, like I said, I like a lot of glue, but you don't want too much glue now. Okay, that's good. Good enough for me. Now, I just want to show you, see how most of the rhinestones are flipped upside down? All I'm going to do is tap. And shake them off a little bit and they will flip. See that? Now you can see. Let me see if I can do it again. Well, you can't really tell. But they flip the right way once you tap it. You see that? Okay. Just wanted to show you that. Alright, now just take my rhinestones and continue. See, mine have space, so I can kind of arrange them the way I want to. Like I said, once I get done, I'm going to rearrange them because they will move. So I'm going to go all the way around. Now, like I said before, I don't focus on the placement quite yet. I just focus on getting them on there because they will move. And I'm gonna go all the way around till I get to the very top. Okay guys, almost finished. I just need a few more beads. Rhinestones. Actually a couple. And let's see if I can get, okay, I've had a few. Let me see if I can get some more right there. Okay, now we are done. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to check this lid and move the rhinestones around if need be because they, like I said, they move around. So we are done. Okay, you guys, we are finished blending out the baby bottle. So let's see how we did. Isn't that adorable? Super, super cute. They're done. Now, with that being said, I hope y'all have a blessed one.